Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add footnotes in Google Docs on your phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the one document that you want to add the footnote. Then here you can find the option of pencil icon at the bottom corner. Simply tap on it. Next, here you can find the plus sign icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and here you can find the option of footnote. Simply go ahead and select it. Now you can see the footnote has been added to your document. Now you can add the footnotes and edit your documents however you want to edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add the footnotes on your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.